Hello everybody, today we are going to work on another bash scripting which will encrypt and decrypt the files. So we are going to develop a bash script to encrypt and decrypt files using a chosen algorithm. So let's go first. I will show you my blog afgfunds.blogspot.com. So previously we work on create a bash script to renew a file name, and then we work on automate a script to backup specific directories to another location, and this was the source code. And then today we are going to work on file encryption and decryption, which develop a script to encrypt and decrypt files using a chosen algorithm. So and also this is our source code. You can access this source code, you can work on it, and you can modify it, and that's all for you. Okay, then let's go back to our script. Okay guys, so let's get started. So function to encrypt a file. So first of all, we are going to create a function which is going to encrypt the file. So first we will create a function. So for that we will write like encrypt underscore file, and parentheses open and close, if a statement which will check our first argument, which is $1. Then we will use the encryption system which is AES 256 CBC solved, and so we will use this for our first argument. For example, we have given the file name, it will come to the $1, and after that it will encrypt it and save it as with extension ENC, which means encrypt. Okay, so echo file encrypted, this will it will show us that file encrypted in this function, and also it will show the file name with ENC. Else it will show file not found. If you have given a file name which does not exist, or you have given wrong spelling, so it will echo file not found. So we will close our if statement, and now we will come to function to decrypt a file. So for that we will create another function, decrypt file. If we will give this statement if minus if, we will check if the file is existed. So that's why we are using minus if. $1 is the argument we are passing to the terminal. So we will use the same open SSL encrypt -d is to decrypt, and we will use this algorithm AES 256 CBC and -in. So it will check the first argument, and it will what it will do, it will decrypt the file, and also it will show us like file decrypted. And else if it couldn't found, so it will show file not found. Okay, now we will come down to our main script. So for the main script we will give if a statement if argument 1, that we are giving the file name, and if in the argument 1 if we use to encrypt, it means that we are going to encrypt the file. So what it will do, encrypt file. What it will give the second argument, which is our file name, that will store in $2. And also else if we write like decrypt and terminal, like we will give the After we run the program, we will give the program name, then we will use one of encrypt or decrypt. If the file is encrypted, so we want to decrypt, so we'll use decrypt and then the file name. So it will decrypt the second argument, which is the file name. Else it will if you, for example, make any mistake, if you don't give a proper name or any other problem, so it will show you an echo and it will show usage, encrypt, decrypt, file name. It will show you that simple description of how to encrypt or decrypt. And then we will close our if statement. So let's come to our terminal. Here we will go to desktop, then we will execute our encrypt and decrypt file. I'm going to encrypt and decrypt. So keep in mind that after I encrypt, I will delete this original file, because after decryption the original file will again come back. And in addition, we will verify by doing such actions that if our script works properly. So we will save this as a simple text txt, and then we will give that encrypt decrypt.sh, which is we are going to run our program. Then we will give so we have here two arguments, one is encrypt and another one is decrypt. So first I want to encrypt, so I will use the encrypt keyword, then the file name, and we will press enter. And here they will ask the password, so keep in mind to remember this password, because while decrypting the file you have to give the same password. It's just a kind of secret code, because you want to encrypt and decrypt. So this AES 256 CBC encryption system, they want you for more security to give like a secret code. You can use a secret code. So for now I'm using just a simple 1 2 3 4, and you can also use different kind of secret codes while decrypting, and keep in mind to remember that code, note it or somewhere, so you can use it while decrypting your file. Okay, so we will enter 1 2 3 4 and we will press enter, and then for verification again they are asking the same code. So again we will type 1 2 3 4 and see. So don't worry about the warning, because the Linux system, they are just giving you warning that deprecated key derivation used. That's just using ITER or PBKDF2 would be better. It's just an encryption system. So see the file encrypted and simple txt.enc. So this is just a encrypted file. So now let's go. As you can see that after that our sample txt.enc has created. Okay, now let's decrypt it. Remember to give the same password. Now while you give on encrypting the file, example I have given 1 2 3 as I told you before, and so I will type run again and just encrypt decrypt.sh, running over the script, and then I will use the decrypt keyword, and then I will give the file name sample.txt.enc. so press enter. So then now they will ask your password, the secret code. You will give it like the same code that we have given before, 1 2 3 4, and see I have highlighted this file decrypted. It's successful. So now I forget before to delete the original file. Now I will delete the original file, and again I will go back and decrypt the sample txt.enc, and it's decrypted successfully. Now you can see that sample.txt appear again, and now after we open it, and we can see that this file is a simple text which we have before encrypted and decrypt again. Alright guys, so this was our script to encrypt and decrypt I hope you understand, and thank you so much for watching and listening, and please subscribe, like and comment.